friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today we are going to see an interesting topic about sending an email with Excel formula. Is it possible? Yes, it does possible. We can see how to do that in the video. Before jumping into video, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and share to your friends. And we are excited to say that the videos which we are uploading, the source code and the formulas will be uploaded in our blog page. Kindly visit our blog page, the link which we have mentioned in the description. Let's jump into video. Go to Excel and you can see I have created 5 columns with the 2 CC subject. The sub is nothing but the subject, body and the link. Link is nothing but the location where we are going to create a formula. The basic idea why we creating this video is like everyone is struggling to send an email. If it is a bulk email, it will be trouble for us to send email to multiple persons. But in Excel formula, we can send in a simple, it will be time saving and also in a simpler method. So let's not waste time. Let's check how to do that. I'm giving a dummy ID which is 2 is equal to like 2 at yahoo.com, and this is the CC, right? CC at Gmail. You can give whatever you want. I'm giving subject as subject, body as this is the test mail, and link. Here there is a formula called hyperlink, and here it will show create a link location and a friendly name. Link location is nothing but the link which we are going to concatenate the column from A to D, which is to be the part of our email. Open a double quotes, use a function called mail2 and use a semicolon, close the double quotes and use ampersand to concatenate the functions. Based on this mail2 function, the rest of the values which you are giving, 2cc, bcc, those values get added back in the email. Open a double quotes, use a question mark which will be acting as a bridge for the upcoming reference or the cell range. Now here ampersand to concatenate. So our link is to say 2, right? And ensure you are giving an ampersand symbol before you are declaring some values. Equal to, close the ampersand and close the double quotes and open a concatenate. Now refer to the cell. If you have a doubt in between, like our formula is correct or not, it can be easily identified. As you see, the values which we have given in A2 is automatically get selected over here. So this is how we can able to confirm that okay, we are going in a correct direction to give the formulas. And now close the and then again the same for all the upcoming things as well. Open a double quotes and create an ampersand, mention it as CC, give equal to. Equal to is the major part where we have to give it over here. Close and close it, and again concatenate it with column B2. Close the bracket and open the ampersand, concatenate. Again, next our part will be the subject is equal to the column will be C2, right? C2, and again open double quotes concatenate body of the email, which is equal to and which is D2. You can give the comma as we have done with all the essential requirement over here. Give the friendly name as it mentioned over here. I am giving it as send email. You can give your name as per your requirement. Right. So now everything looks good. So once you click on send email, you can see the line which we have given, right? This is the test email 2 and CC. Everything is get added over here. You can give multiple values also based on your requirement. Even if you have given, if you want to do this for multiple line items, I am just giving it as Control D. You can give it every time, multiple time, or else like now this time I don't want CC. You can test it out based on that. So I am giving it as without subject. Let's see, here you can see there is no subject added over here. It is simply empty. So this is how our complete formula for hyperlink to send an email works. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please do watch and share to your friends. Stay tuned for our next interesting video. Jai Hind. Goodbye.